Do you ever try to do transitions and it just looks off? Well, there's a trick, and I'm going to show you what it is in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a content creator and social media marketer for impact-driven organizations. If you want to learn how to work with me, please visit my website, wonderfulida.ca. I want to have a transition from this background to this background. Let's start by just filming one here, and I am going to, oh, I just stepped on my light. There you go. Do a little shake and do a finger snap. Then my transition is going to be the finger snap. So, and then I film another one here. And let's go to the new spot. It's the same thing. Start with my transition and then end it with my desk. The art in transitions is how you time it. So it's like using the action as a distraction so that you can show the change from one to the other. And so basically what I need to do here is I need to go to where I actually snap my finger. It's midway through the action there. And then here I gotta go to where I stop my finger. What I'm doing is I'm just using this white indicator to move it slowly, little by little, so that I can see where it is in the framing. I want it like in the middle. There we go, that could work. And then I cut it to that beginning part, so you can see, let's see this. The first clip is way too short. I'm just gonna extend the beginning of that. So you can see that looks pretty smooth, but you can make it look even smoother. And so to do that, what you want to do is say this first clip. This is my first clip. You can see my setup on this clip and it's a little bit wider, and this one's like a lot tighter. I'm not in the same position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the second clip and I'm going to make it look even more smooth. So I'm going to get rid of some of this beginning part before I start. So there we go. And so how I can do this is I can use the align tool. And to access the align tool, I'm going to go to add clip. I'm going to go to add the camera. And then if you're going to click down here on the side, it's going to have align. And so what it's going to allow you to do is move your camera. So you can see, I can see myself in here. I can make it so I'm like exactly the same as before. I think my hand is further up. Perfect. And now I can just start it from here, do the snap, and it will look much better. So because I want to give myself some time for this, I'm gonna use my timer. And the timer's right up top. I'm gonna press the timer. I'm gonna set it for 10 seconds so that I get more time to set up. Set timer, and let's start this. So it's gonna count me in, so I got 10 seconds to like really align this. There we go. Okay, so now let's see the difference. Wait for the snap, cut it to the snap, because you want to give yourself some more time after the timer goes. You don't have to start it right away. You'll be able to cut it later. Like you can see here that I'm adjusting it later, because sometimes I've had this problem before where if I'm looking at the timer, I think the timer is like right on, but I miss it. So I like to like wait for the timer to go so I know it's recording, and then do the action and then just adjust the beginning. So you can see it looks a lot more seamless because you don't physically move back and forth, and you're able to align it so that it looks like you're in the same spot, and it just looks more smooth as you do the transition. If you have any real questions you want me to answer, please leave them in the comments so I can answer them in a future video. Till next time,